kids. There's nothing this park can throw my way that I can't handle. Way to go, Uncle Woody! Cool, no line! Hey, what's the big idea, bub?
Hello, funsters. I am Wally Walrus. I am trying to win my Employee of the Month badge to put right here. I have made a bunch of tests to be sure you are Speed Demon Mountain ready. Yeah? First, the height test.
We're tall enough!
Sign here, here, and here to verify you've always dreamed of going on this ride. Initial there, there, and there that you promise to tell all your friends about this ride. And check every third pink page to indicate that you will not ride any ride but this ride while you are thinking about or riding this ride. Yeah?
Let's go!
Oopsie, I almost forgot. Time for my psychological test. Say the first thing that comes into your minds. Fishy.
Rides.
Sport coat.
Fast rides!
Yogurt.
Let us ride the fast rides!
You birdies have one-track minds. Just like Wally, yeah? They're gonna put my picture here when I get Employee of the Month.
Wow! Kids, let's get a picture with the next Employee of the Month.
Cheese. Svigaboop.
Come on, kids!
You haven't taken the cholesterol exam yet. Oh, yoinky doinky.
What? You again?
Move on to the ride one at a time. You're second, you're third, and you're last.
Second, third, and last. Who's first?
Safety is always first, especially with my new industrial strength requirements. Headgear, mouth guards, bulletproof vests, safety goggles, steel-tip boots, shin guards, shoulder pads, UV protection, and the ever-popular asbestos gloves. Now to be really sure you are safe. Wasn't that terrifying? Yet harmless? Exit to the left and watch your step.
We're gonna ride this ride the way Speed Demon Mountain intended. Say, Wally, that was so fun. But what if we were on that ride and a hurricane hit the park? Or say, a meteor?
Flaming fjords. I never thought of that yet.
And what if there is an earthquake and then killer bees?
What if that happens? Then these could possibly happen. You don't have your iron lungs!
Almost closing time. Let's get to the Looney Leap.
Woodpeckers.
Hey! All set, Uncle Woody!
Hello, valued guests.
Oh, man!
I would like your help in recommending me as the Speed Demon Mountain Employee of the Month.
What?
Was I the most friendly of all the park's employees today?
We didn't see any other employees.
I'll take that as a yes. How was my service on, say, the rocket ride?
We didn't have time for the rocket ride. Thanks to you.
Perhaps next year. How was your experience with park is now closed. Thanks for coming. Please drive safe and come again.
You want my recommendation, bub? You deserve to be called Employee of the Month, because with you, it takes a month to get on every ride. Yeah! Let's go before that ride-wrecking walrus stops us again. Grab the flagpole, kids! All right! Yeah! That was so cool! Awesome! Same time next year? You said it, Uncle Woody!
Someone get my clipboard!
And that's why you always buckle up for safety.